How to fix ChatGPT, the message you submitted was too long. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, if there is this message you submitted was too long pops up, simply copy everything that you have sent. After that, open new page and search listedai.co. In here, on the right side, click on Visit Website. Then, in here, enter everything. Simply click on Ctrl+V to paste everything and press on Split into two parts. After that, scroll down and then you'll find two parts. On the left side, copy part 1. On the right side, copy part 2. Click on Copy part 1. And then open your ChatGPT page. Then simply go to the text page and then press on Ctrl+V to paste everything. Send it. After that, go to the AI page again and then copy the second part. After that, open ChatGPT and then paste the second part in here and send it. And this is how to fix ChatGPT, the message you submitted was too long problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.